Here we go again. This is my second laboratory of data, communication, and networking. This is what I'm doing in the Cisco Tracer Packer. What I'm doing is star topology because it's a type of networking topology in which all the device is connected to the center node. This is the PC, like here, the PC1 is connected to the switch 1 or hubs. They are connected in the single line. I use the 20. This is a single line like what you see in the video. So this is called a star topology. As you can see, there is a green. This the arrow green. The green light indicates a successful connection. A solid green light means the device is powered on and the connection is active. The amber light, which is if you connect this one, it takes 5 seconds or something like that. This side is something orange. That's we call amber. So the amber indicates a problem and a warning. Amber lights usually indicates a problem with the connection or device. The possible issue is the device may not configured correctly. They could be physical connection issue like a cable problem. Device is powered on but not operational or in the standby mode. So as you can see, all is as a green. So it means that it's function or it's inactive.